Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu master class. But before I go in today, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube. Over 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming, including Pablo the farm cat. Pablo was catnapped last week, but we got him back thanks to the tracker and Farmer Mike's ingenuity. And he's over there frolicking in the grass. Check out those videos online at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube. And here I am with say hello. Oh, look at this beautiful Maran. So this is one of Miss Bonnie's roosters here that we keep at the farm, and look how beautiful. So she wanted a quick update, so I hopped on the live, and I wanted to show her how big he's gotten, and he's eating us out of house and home. Isn't that right? But you look so stunning, and love these Marans. Now don't you fly away. Don't you have me run after you. Don't do it. Hey, behave. Or you're going to freezer camp. As Bonnie said, no, not freezer camp. Shut up, Earl. We're trying to do the video. All right. Oh, look at that. And look how beautiful the Maran is right here. Look at those fellas. Oh, I got a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Someone's watching. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful and how gorgeous he's gotten. Isn't that right? Earl, look how gorgeous. Don't be scared of Farmer Mike. And look how long the hair is right here. And this is one way you can tell the males from the females, besides this rather long comb. They've been doing some fighting. Boys will be boys. Been doing some fighting. And this is some food, so he was eating, and I interrupted him from his meal. And, of course, the long-tail feathers. But we got to love. Can we see your furry feet? Can we see? Oh, my goodness. Look how big those feet are. And look at those nails. We need to take you to see Deshaun. Don't look at me like that. Oh, stop it. Oh, he's just so gorgeous. Look at the furry feet. Oh, let's see those feet again. Let's see those feet again. Oh, look at the furry feety. Got the furry feet there. And look at him go. Look at him go. I've got him like by the tail feather, like that Nelly song. Thumbs up if you love Nelly. He's from St. Louis, just like me. In fact, we went to the same. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, he's trying to get away. But no. Okay, all right. You're going back in the coop. Behave. So, they're acting up today. Well, not really. I kind of interrupted. I kind of interrupted him from his meal, and you're getting so big right here. And this Maran is a rooster, of course, and we will mate it with the Maran hen and get those deep chocolate-looking eggs. And so they should be coming any day now, right? Any day now. And I want to show you these eyebrows. Let's look at these eyebrows again. Can we see those eyelashes? Oh, how do you do it? Just so stunning. So stunning. Anyway, so, all right. I'm going to get him. Come here. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get big guy back inside. Don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube. Tell them! Over 500 videos all dedicated to urban farming. Pablo the farm cat. Shut up, Earl! Pablo the farm cat, take us out. Huh? Say hi, Pablo. Yes, he's back. Thanks to his tracker. That homeless man tried to take you. He took his brother and sister. And we're still trying to get them back. But Farmer Mike is on the case. Isn't that right? Yes, Farmer Mike is on the case. So we're live outside Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. This is not a pre-recorded. This is a live interactive video at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. That's Grandmother Ophelia's. The spirit of Grandmother Ophelia runs within us. We don't leave until the work is done. Even when the street lights come on, of course, we got to put in that work in order to reap the harvest, the reward. So, Farmer Mike signing off live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives.